Thinking about the Relithra frequency generator? Let me give you the quick, honest lowdown. First off, yes, Relithra is a real device, not just vaporware. Most buyers do get their product, though a few mention shipping delays or missing parts. It's light, it's portable, and it plugs in with USB-C, which I always appreciate. But here's where things get interesting. Tons of people absolutely swear by it for better sleep, less stress, and a more relaxing vibe, especially for meditation or yoga. If you're after a calming background frequency, it can work wonders. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price tag. Relithra often sells for $70 or more, but here's the kicker. It's basically a rebranded Schumann resonance generator you can find online for $20 or less. So, you're paying a big premium just for the Relithra name. If you're hoping for miracle cures or DNA upgrades, pump the brakes. There's zero scientific proof for those bigger claims. At best, it's a helpful relaxation tool. At worst, it's just overpriced tech. Some users love the clear digital display and adjustable frequencies, but others say the instructions are confusing. And if you want to actually the frequencies, you'll probably need special wired headphones or speakers. Bluetooth won't cut it. Customer support? It's a mixed bag. Some folks get quick help, others struggle with refunds or get ignored. Bottom line, if you want a simple relaxation gadget and don't mind the price, Relithra might be for you. If you're watching your wallet, you can find similar devices for a fraction of the cost.